Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new video. So in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to get this affordable purple smoky eye. So let's get started. So here I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and to be honest I didn't even think about it, but you can just use a cheaper alternative or even your concealer if you want to. So for the eyeshadows today, I'm gonna use the It's My Pleasure palette from Colourpop. And the first color I'm gonna go in with is Fan Fiction, which is a beautiful pink shade. And I'm just gonna apply this into my crease and the outer corners of my eyes using a fluffy blending brush to make it soft and smoky. And as you guys know, I like to make my eyes look a little bit bigger and more elongated, so I am winging it out a little bit in the outer corners. I feel like it's been a while since I used pink in my crease, but this is such a pretty color and I feel like Colourpop makes really good affordable eyeshadows. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with the I Own You Jelly Much eyeshadow, also from Colourpop, and this one was so dried out. I don't know if you can see, but it's barely sticking to my eyelid, so I just gave up and I'm gonna move on to eyeshadows. So I'm gonna be completely honest, and it's been about 2 months since I filmed this video, but I'm pretty sure I went in with Earth Shine eyeshadow, the middle shade from the palette, and I'm just applying that onto the lid, and I'm leaving the outer corners empty because I'm gonna go in with the darker shade next. Okay, so for the outer corners, I think I used a mix of Do or Dough and Chic Lit, which is the darker two purples from the palette. And again, I'm just kind of pressing this onto the lid, the outer corners of the lid. And I don't know if you can see, but this is such a beautiful shade. It's so metallic and so shimmery, and I just love it. I think they look really good together. So to darken the outer corners, I'm gonna go in with the shade Sleeper from the palette, and I'm just gonna add that into the outer corners of my eyes. And I am first applying it with a small pencil brush, and then I'm gonna go in with a blending brush to blend it out. I like to do it this way because I can be precise about where I'm applying the shadow and where I want it. And then I like to go in with the blending brush and just make everything smoky. There isn't really a highlight shade for me in the palette unless I want to use Earth Shine, but I already used that on the lid, so I'm gonna go in with a highlighter from the Sigma Chromaglow palette, and I'm just gonna highlight my inner corners using that one. Alright, so before I move on to liner and lashes, I just want to add a little bit more of the Sleeper shade onto my lower lash line to make it a little bit darker and smokier. So then for my waterline, I'm just gonna use the LA Girl Ultimate Eyeliner in the black shade, and I'm just gonna line my waterline using this one. Now I am gonna go in and do my liner, and for today's look, I'm gonna use the BFF liquid liner, also from Colourpop, and this is in the shade Numero Uno. And it is the black one. It's really black and really good. So I'm just lining my lash line with this one and doing the little inner corner wing that I always do. And then I like to make my eyeliners look a little bit smokier. So here I'm just going in with a black eyeshadow. You can use any black eyeshadow. And I'm just pretty much just pressing this onto the liner to kind of soften it. And yeah, I really like the way it looks. Alright, so for lashes, I'm gonna use the Isadora Active Wear Mascara. It's a Swedish drugstore brand. And then for my lashes, I don't have a cheaper alternative, so I'm just gonna use my favorite ones. It's Your Lashes in the style Ciara, and I love these ones. Then for the cheeks, I'm first gonna apply the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in Peachy Love, And I'm just gonna use the pink shade on my cheeks. And then for highlights, I'm gonna use the Fenty Matchstick in Trippin. And then I'm gonna add the same highlighter I used on the eyes on to the cheeks to get a nice cheek that matches the eyes. So last but not least are the lips, and I'm first gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in Soft Touch, and then I'm gonna line my lips using the Huda Beauty lip liner in Muse. I'm just going around the corners and then also a little bit onto the lip with this one. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week with a new video. Bye!